Okay, let's go ahead and play. Some questions are 30 seconds. A couple are like, some are 60 seconds. I got a couple that are 2 minutes, and I have one that's 4 minutes, if needed.
How many questions are there?
There are 10 total. Yeah.
Wait, I feel like I should. Wait, what? I can't see, I'm blind.
And you might want to come closer. Okay, range
I knew that, so I just didn't have enough time to.
is y values, right? So our lowest value is -2, but goes up toward infinity.
I didn't even have time to.
So B.
No, I didn't.
So we're going to see who are the leaders in the clubhouse. Roadkill. Who's our roadkill?
That's me.
That's your roadkill. Okay. Jace.
You're welcome.
Steve-O is a gentleman through and through. What is the range of the function if its domain is restricted between -6 and 3? Okay, let's talk about this, okay? If we restrict between -6 and 3, right? That would be -6 and 3. So in between -6 and 3, the lowest value is -2, and the highest y value is 5. So -2 to 5 is going to be our range of this restricted piece of domain. You see that? Pardon me?
That question makes me mad.
It makes you
I
mad?
haven't even answered yet.
Maybe you won't be as mad toward the end. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. So maybe. All right, let's go on here. I think most of these will have more time to figure things out.
Oh, no, this one.
This one gave you a lot of time. And by the way, on this one, there might be more than one correct answer.
That's not fun.
No, really?
No, I just don't know. That's how I feel. I'm gonna go with that. Oh, I got it. Yay, I actually got it correct.
So we got two possibilities of correct answers here, which will be, this is hours and this is minutes, okay? And you see they're the same, like 4 hours is 240 minutes. So you had a choice of how you did it. So we had a lot who got this one right.
Oh, I did it on miles.
So we have just about everybody, I hope. All right. Okay, range of situation. Okay, we have the same sort of thing, but range.
This one is
Don't lie, it's gross.
Is that two answers like the last one?
Steve.
I don't think so. I think there's only one.
Is it?
Because
I think I got it wrong.
I don't even have any other units in miles. You don't have any choice on the,
Steve.
It's gotta be. It's definitely right. It's not right.
I'm sure I got it wrong.
so most of you got,
Yeah, the first answer.
That's right.
Hey, 14 points. You're giving me.
I don't even
all right, so
know.
now let's get into a close, look at how close the title, this is a very competitive match today.
Daily, I will turn your computer off. You know what, Steve? Don't come back to me.
Decreasing interval, set notation. Yeah, good job, okay? Yeah, it's the media, you're decreasing all the way from about 6, and these ones are hard to get, from about 6 to about 18. So A is your only possibility.
I got that one right though. Anyway.
Yeah, you did, but what happened is that Jace got it right a little faster, and she got more points out of it than you did.
I did not.
Literally 12
I did not
points
think your
behind you.
field was that small.
Yeah, that's,
Why didn't they stay out?
who is Steve Harvey?
You're a funny guy.
Steve Harvey. Okay, average rate of change problem.
No, it's exited.
Oh, I didn't even look at the bottom part. I got that wrong. Oh, I didn't. I didn't even pick one. I actually. Oh, Steve.
Okay, let's talk about this. So how do you find average rate of change?
You don't start at it.
Yeah, you could, yeah. If you do stat edit between 2 and 4, you could. But the easier way is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? What's y2? 90. What's y1? 30. What's 90 minus 30? 60. Over 4 minus 2, what's 4 minus 2? 2. 60 divided by 2, which is
20.
30.
Good job.
I told you I'd make you go to Aha.
So here,
Terrible. Whoever just answered definitely guessed. I don't understand this one.
you don't understand it? We'll talk about it briefly.
I might have that. Yeah. But I'm not sure if it's right.
Okay, let me show you what this is here. You got negative intervals here, but has positive everywhere else. So that means it's going to have to be positive between -3 and 1. Let me show you. Okay? What this is you have zeros at -3 and at 1. And so what happens is it's negative from infinity all the way to here and negative after 1. So between is where the thing's going to have to be positive. So that's how we got positive between -3 to 1.
I completely understand now.
Okay? Well, that's it. All right, very good. That's the purpose of this. This is a formative deal. Okay? Here we go.
I just lost my spot.
Bailey is back.
I was gonna say top 5, right?
Okay, 3 more. Now this one I think is going to be, yeah, it gives you 2 minutes on this one.
Dude, whoever just answered is honestly gonna make me really mad. I know that the first 2 answers are ludicrous.
That's not me. I'll jump too.
Everybody else in here is
I
trying.
think it's. My other person reads the question like 4 times.
Oh, I do that too, that's why it takes so long.
It's too.
All we have to do is enter.
They don't answer. No,
I can't do it that way.
I know that's staring at it.
I need it like.
Probably Aries.
I've been answered already, haven't I?
You could do it.
Yeah, I honestly
It's
did that. I
Aries.
need it.
It's got her.
It's because
We both use 11.
why is that you like? I know you're lying.
Yeah.
I know you're lying. What do I do after that? I pointed to forgot.
So the county, that's what the tax stuff is now.
Right, and then it's wrong.
This direction. No!
Okay.
Back in early lines.
Let me show you here.
Right.
Okay?
You're right. Steve.
If you go over here,
Oh my God, that makes me so
if you go to Stat, Edit, everything is entered here, right?
Yeah. Did you get
And then you go to Stat, Calc 4, and then you go down here, and you get, so it's going to be negative 0.72x plus 11.2 or something like that, okay? So that's going to be our answer, right?
Yeah.
Our best answer. Yeah, one thing about it is they were both negative, so Steve-O is back in later. Look at how tightly, but like it's anybody's. Now, the next one I think is 4 minutes,
4 minutes, okay.
and you're gonna explain, you're gonna see why in a second.
Oh man.
Yes.
Now, there's a way to do it faster, too, but I assume that you took the time to do it out by hand, so.
So, Mr. D.
Did you serious? Oh my gosh.
I don't know what to tell you.
What'll make me really mad is if you get it correct, because that's just not. I can't read the points. Pretty sure I think I did it. So, Mr. G, can you tell me the points on it?
Yeah, the points here, I'll have you do that, yeah. This point at the bottom is 0,5. This one here is negative 12,9. This one here is 12,9. So that's what it is. Does that help you?
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, you got-
12,9.
Yeah, 12,9 and 0,5, negative 12,9.
So it's not C. Did you seriously? I'm so happy you did C.
That was not a good, you were happy someone picked C, Emma, is what you're saying?
Yes.
Because you're,
Right behind you.
so, oh, all right,
I mean,
all right.
it's either.
She's looking at me, well, it's like 1,000 points below me.
all right.
Thank you.
Good job.
Did you read it? Did you put it in? I'm good.
I just did it.
So you picked 40?
Yeah.
So you happy with your
I just
answer?
did it.
I'm pretty sure I got it right. I did it in my head, so there's like a little.
A little wiggle room there, little wiggle room. You all are really
I
good
didn't really know that.
competitors.
Stop playing, there's no way it's me.
This is good competition. Steve-O, Steve-O, I'm glad you're back today. This is good. I'm glad you're here today, Steve.
No! You make me like, that's not.
So I couldn't figure it out, because I didn't get any of the answer choices, so I just kind of guessed.
Wow.
Did you get it right?
See when people that care
No.
about grades really see.
Oh.
Yeah, 'cause-
I know
Now, one thing you can do, who solved it and got it right? How did you do it?
Adds up to your.
How did you get it right, those who
Because
got it?
there's a pattern to the answers on all of your choices.
Well, I don't know, Steve.
Oh, I just plugged into y equals.
Yeah, if you plug these equations in and go to table view, you can see
Yeah.
what they are.
Yeah, pretty much.
And I kind of gave you enough time to work it out by hand if you didn't do what Steve-O did, but yeah, it's going to be D. All right, let's see what's going on here.
That makes me so sad.
Good job.
Luke.
That makes me so sad.
Luke is, look at how Luke and Roadkill are.
Who's getting points on their quiz? Is it the first?
I got
one?
last time on Kahoot.
No, actually, I got
All right, last one. Here's the last one, guys.
I got last, you got second.
I'm good. Hey, let's start the words. I'm gonna do this good anyway, so I'm ready.
What'd you get? What'd you do? You were good?
Keep sending.
I think he gave me
I'll sit down.
No, he didn't. He's not. I know he's lying now because there's no way it's me.
It is me.
It's not me. You're definitely lying. I'm not that stupid.
Let's go, what should I
Yeah.
I know, I can sleep now.
Okay, we'll see.
Did you
I'm
really?
gonna check who are winners
Are you
here.
doing top five?
I think so. I think I'll do that.
Thank you. Yay.
Hey, I'm
Oh, yeah,
looking.
that's good. Yeah.
I got
Harry did
second.
pretty good.
Roadkill, that's Jace.
Good job.
And we got,
No way.
There's no way this dude answered like half the questions. What?
I pretty good.
Hey, I'm
Steve
looking.
and Bailey. Steve and
Hey, how many
Bailey.
points you get for me in first?
I fifth.
Steve and Bailey.
That wasn't.
Chris?
I'm gonna make the worst grade in the test though.
Yeah, you should just do A all the time. You'll be 25%.
I'm just click.
There is actually a pattern to your answers.
And that's you, Jason. Now, here's the thing that I found was interesting. Is, do you find it interesting that Luke, who got 6 right, got more points than Roadkill, who got 7 right?
I guess.
Because he got, because he.
Yeah, so it's the sort of the time, and also they give you kind of a streak benefit too. But see, to get 6 or 7 out of this, that's pretty good. Who else got 6 right out of it? Anybody?
I didn't know.
You got 6.
I got
can't
this.
see what
I probably got, I thought it was 3 or 4, 5.
Wait, how many points do you get out of that for the test?
I don't know. It won't be very many. Maybe like 1 or 2, something like that. But it'll help. It'll help you. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. I mean, to me, it was a competitive contest, and so that's. Yeah, it shows that you stayed with it and worked hard and didn't give up. Okay, that showed something. All right, good job.
What did I get?